Are you a chartered accountancy student who is going to face the corporate level and the strategic level exams in December 2024? I hope you are already aware that Chartered Institute is going to change the syllabus. So this is going to be one of the last few exams for you to complete your corporate and the strategic level. So my message is, don't risk it. Don't do a last minute job. Don't seek your study leaves and try to do a last minute job in the month of December. You need to focus, you need to be motivated, you need to be dedicated, you need to be committed during this next 6 months to get through in your corporate level and strategic level to become a prestige chartered accountant. Now that is where we as JMC is going to help you. JMC is an accredited learning center with a gold status. So we have been doing physical classes as well as online classes over the last so many number of years. Why you need to select JMC? Because we have the best lecture panel. So you are going to come to JMC in a physical class in every weekend, and our lecturers will be there to motivate you, to guide you, and we will be helping you in the technical content, and we will be doing the past papers, we will be doing the model papers. So every week you will be doing sizable amount of work with us under our supervision. So that will help you for you to have a continuous work, and end of the day you can get through from the corporate level and the strategic level. And the JMC is going to provide you the comfortable classrooms, the smart boards, the whiteboards, and all these facilities, the air-conditioned classrooms. So you are going to have a good learning environment with JMC, and all these at an affordable fee. If you are going to get through from the corporate level and the strategic level, then select JMC and join with our best lecturers in the industry and learn with us. So hope to see you in the corporate level and the strategic level class. So I'm going to be your FRG lecturer, Sandeep Jayasekara.